गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ प्रकाश मेरी और आज मैं आया हूँ न्यू एरा स्कूल कोरबा, जहाँ पर साइंस मॉडल का एक प्रोग्राम हो रहा है जिसमें छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने क्या कमाल का साइंस प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है जिसको देख के आप हैरान रह जाएंगे। और ये सेल्फ मेड है बाय देमसेल्फ। ये लोग 4th C के स्टूडेंट हैं और मैं अभी देख के आ रहा हूँ क्लास 3 के बच्चों ने ऐसा चीज़ बनाया है और इनकी इंग्लिश तो भाई साहब। ओके, हे, माय नेम इज प्रकाश मेरी एंड आई एम a YouTuber. My channel name is Prakash Meri Rock. I want to know what is this program name in your school?
It is the energy saving smart light. There are iron sensors and safety breakers. Also, when we want it,
Can you speak loudly? Oh.
All the best. Done? Be louder.
Well done.
sir, it is rainwater harvesting.
Okay, rain harvesting.
So, it is the clouds. This is the sand and the pebbles.
Okay.
See the water here.
Okay.
This is the water.
I can see
It
it.
is swimming pool.
Okay.
So,
Swimming pool. Okay.
Yes. We can watch the cars. We can watch the garden. So, it is the chart paper.
Okay.
This we have done all the explanation.
Okay.
You can see it is a method to collect the rainwater and store it fully.
Okay.
You can see here the water is falling from here and a man is taking a bucket and is storing the rainwater for washing cars, washing
Okay.
machines and accepting the hand. So the materials required are thermocol, chart paper, cars, plants, boxes, fevicol, ice cream sticks and pipe. So how many stars you can give?
Rating. Okay, thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is my rainwater indicator.
Rainwater indicator.
Myself, Shashwat Chaturvedi from class 6A and EPS.
Okay.
This is my rainwater indicator. We can call it rain alarm. If we will put some salt here.
Okay.
And if there is a heavy rainfall.
Okay.
The informing chairman will inform us that there is a rainfall.
Okay.
If we are drying clothes here.
Okay.
The clothes will be all spoiled or wet due to heavy rainfall.
Okay.
And the farmers also dry here some grains, rice, all the things.
Okay.
So if there is a heavy rainfall,
Okay.
all the grains and all the things will be spoiled.
It's spoiled, yes.
So it can prevent our things to get rid of spoiling and make our India smart India.
Okay. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
I am representing this model of solar system. So, what is solar system? So, the solar system includes some and all objects like planets, comets, asteroids, moon, etc. which revolve around sun. The solar system was formed 4.6 billion years ago.
Okay.
As you see in my solar system model, here is a sun and all its planets. Sun is the heart of solar system. It is a star of yellow color. Its gravity holds the solar system. There are 8 planets around sun. I started from closest planet from sun. First is Mercury, hottest, smallest planet. Venus, hottest planet. Earth, where we live. Mars, reddish in color. Let me explain in detail.
Okay.
First is Mercury, it is smallest planet. It takes 88 days to travel around the sun.
Okay.
Venus is hottest planet. It takes 225 days to travel around sun. Earth is only one planet.
Good morning, sir. This is our GSLV model.
GSLV model. Okay.
GSLV model. This is our launcher.
Okay.
This is the Vikram lander.
Okay.
This is our Pragyan rover.
Okay.
This is the moon surface.
Okay.
The main motto of all this moon mission is to get information about the abundance water present in the moon's surface in the south.
Okay. Thank you. Chandrayaan-2. Space Center Chandrayaan-2.
My project name is generator. It works through mechanical energy.
Okay.
It helps to roll the drum. The LED light is 3.0 volt.
Okay.
And this is DC generator motor of 12 volts. And electric energy is produced.
Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Nandita and my product name is wastewater management. Materials required to make this.
No problem.
My name is Sanjay Singh and I am from class 60.
Okay.
My name is Jatin Agarwal. I am from class 60.
Okay. What is your project?
This is hydroponics and this is aquaponics. These
Okay.
both are combined.
Okay.
In aquaponics, we use fish and water.
Okay.
And the wastewater of the fish goes in this, and the water can be recycled, and the plants can be grown.
Okay.
In hydroponics, the water we directly use the water, and that can be recycled and can be used as to grow plants.
Okay. Explain it.
But the upper one is known as lower. Can you see this?
Sorry.
Can you see this? And the lower one is known. And this is known as fish tank.
Okay.
The water from the fish tank goes pipe like this, and it rotates.
Nowadays, like the fields get destroyed by rainwater.
Okay.
So it is done in a house which is known as polyhouse. It is a very safe house.
Okay.
And there are 3 rooms. First room, in this first gate, we have to change our clothes and wash our face.
Okay.
In second house, we have to change our shoes, and in the third house, we have to enter the house.
Okay. Thank you.
वो मेरे सामने बैठी है मगर उससे कुछ बात ना हो पाई है। मैं इशारा भी अगर करता हूँ इसमें हम की रुसवाई है, इसमें हम दोनों की रुसवाई है। दिल का आलम
This is New Era School Korba. This huge school. There is a 3 floor and there is lots of room, lots of classroom, and so many children. Yeah, I came here to see all the science project what the childs are made here. This is incredible to see every science model